Guys, it's Jen here. I'm here with my 2015 Subaru Impreza. I'm going to change my air filter. Fram Extra Guard 9997 is the part number for this model Subaru. Just going to pop the hood. There we go. Now for this air box, it's just 2 clips. Pull it up, push this back. This pops out. As you can see, that is pretty grody. There is no light shining through really. It's not too bad. As you can see, some of the light going through, but I'm shining directly on an LED, which is a little bit brighter than normal. Definitely needs to be changed. This part inside here does stay in there. If I wanted to clean that out, there's definitely a way to do that. I'll figure that out this summer. Alright, so this tab here and here, it will be top and bottom. And as you saw when I took the other one out, it was on the inside. So it's just up in this back. You should drop that in. Unfortunately, this is the one part of the car that wasn't made to be too user-friendly. Everything else is pretty accessible except for the airbox. There we go, that's in. Just gonna push this one back a little bit further so I get that better line up. There we go. Now it's all in there. Just push it back together. One clip in and 2 clips in. So you notice it just took a little bit of wiggling to get it all into place, but other than that, it wasn't too bad. And it's all done. Now, the importance of changing your air filter is it does prevent dirt from getting into your manifold, which prevents the dirt from getting into your engine and into your oil, which you don't want any of that. And it will help you increase your performance by keeping it clean. So, any questions or comments, just put them below. Like, subscribe if you want any more. Just let us know what you want to see next. Bye.